Welcome back to another video. So, first of all, I want to apologise. I haven't done a video for a month or so. I've been so busy with family commitments, holidays and my full-time job. So, I'm back though, and we've got a lot of things coming up in the next few months now because there is so many car meets and all sorts of stuff going on in the car world. First of all, I want to say thank you to our sponsors for today, ILR Carbon. ILR Carbon are a carbon manufacturer for mainly Audi. Go check them out on the link that I put in the description below. So ILR Carbon are my new sponsor. They have kindly sent me my first gift. So what I'm going to do is unbox this gift now, and I'm going to then do a separate video on the installation of this product. So I haven't seen this product, but I've seen it online and it looks awesome, and it's for my RS facelift. So if you have a TT facelift and you have the facelift bumpers, the front and rear bumpers are slightly different, then this product will be absolutely perfect for you. So let's start with the unboxing of the ILR carbon parts. Right, so firstly, comes in a nice box. They told me yesterday, they posted it, and I'm going to receive it today, and that's all the way from Hungary. So that's who they are, ilrcarbon.com.
Six and a half hours later.
Right, here we go. Designing fibre reinforced plastic race parts. So a quality control with their signatures. That's really good. Thank you for choosing ILR. We prepare our products and send out our packages with passion and care because we make it our priority to provide the best possible service for you. If you have any questions or remarks regarding your order, feel free to contact us at this email address. We are more than happy to assist you. We are looking forward to doing business with you again. That's a really nice touch. And they go through all the different quality control parts in regards to the finish and packaging and all sorts. So yeah, that's really nice. So I've got some nice stickers, gel stickers. Yeah, they're nice gel stickers. And now this is the parts. So basically this is for the front and back bumpers where you have the facelift parts. They have like a black plastic. It looks really poor actually. It's a real shame that Audi didn't do something better. Oh wow, okay, that's beautiful. So this is for the front bumper where you have the, right down the bottom either side of the number plates as I'll put it on the screen. But this quality of carbon is stunning. Look at that. Beautifully made, and you can see it's carbon all the way through. And then they've fabricated, or it looks like they've 3D printed the clips and then stuck them obviously to the actual carbon itself. Okay, they are beautiful, very nicely made. And you know I love my carbon, so that's the first part. So I have another piece exactly the same as that. So I've got 4 pieces basically. The front of the bumper has these 2 pieces either side of the number plate, as I'll show you on a picture. And on the rear, you have these 2 fake air vents at the back that are pretty crap, to be honest. So these guys have done an alternative part, which Audi should have done, to be honest. Oh yes, that's lovely. And these are actually stuck on. They're not clipped on. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Really, really stunning carbon fibre. They're going to look nice. So, taking those horrible matte black plastic pieces out and then putting these in, pretty easy. Comes with the double-sided tape, so you heat this stuff up and then it will just stick solid into the recess on the back bumper. So I'll just open these other two while I'll let you know what I'm going to do. So in terms of the installation, I'm going to do a separate installation video for this because it's quite a big job for the front, not so much on the rears. So on the rears, I will just pull the old ones out after heating them up, and they will pop out as they're just stuck in. The difficulty with the front ones is you need to remove your front bumper. I have removed the front bumper off of an Audi TT Mark III twice. I did it with my old TT when I put the RS grille in, and I also did it with my friend Ray's TT as well, when we also put his RS grille in as well. And both times we came across some issues and problems. Now I don't know whether that's just because the front RS grille was a little bit sort of aftermarket, so it was slightly wrong shape, I don't know. But it took me 6 hours to do a full grille change over when I took the bumper off. So this time I'm going to be a little bit worried because now my car is considerably worth more being an RS. So I'm going to be taking my time with the RS by taking the bumper off and making sure that we do a good job this time. These are just stunning. So the carbon itself hopefully will match the carbon I've already got on my car. Actually, what I will do is, let's go outside. I think let's go outside and have a look and see whether this carbon matches the carbon I've got already. Okay, so my car is pretty dirty, so don't judge me at all, but the carbon is basically matching perfectly. That is beautiful. I'm going to be replacing this piece here with this piece here. I think this one is for the other side though, so here we go. So that standard black plastic is coming out because that is nasty. Don't know why he didn't do it gloss black like my filthy dirty diffuser, but that is going to be a beautiful touch. Can't wait to get that on. And this, my God, my car is so dirty. So that part there, which is matte black, which looks rubbish. Now I'll have a carbon piece sitting in there as well, complementing the carbon front splitter as well. That's going to look absolutely great. So what I'm going to do is give my car a proper wash because it is filthy, and then I will start to do the install video, which will be coming up after this video. Thank you so much to my sponsors again, the guys in Hungary, ILR Carbon. I will I'll put their link, as I say, in the description below. and click that link, have a look at all their products, and yeah, let me know what you think. But from first view, this stuff is stunning. We have got really beautiful carbon made very, very well. So let's hope it fits. Normally aftermarket parts, there is a slight niggle, but I'm hoping this is going to be quite simple, straight in. It looks like it's made absolutely fabulously well. So fingers crossed. Obviously it goes in really well, and I'll do an install video coming up very soon. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and please click the bell icon so you can see when I do the install. That will be coming up hopefully in the next couple of weeks. I'll speak to you soon. Over and out.